Would you like a harvest in just 4 to 8 weeks? Welcome back to the Harvest to Table video channel. Today we're going to take a look at fast-growing vegetables perfect for spring, summer, or fall planting. If you're eager to enjoy fresh produce from your garden quickly, choose vegetables that mature in just 4 to 8 weeks. These crops will provide steady harvests for salads, stir-fries, and snacking. Whether you have a big backyard, raised beds, or containers, these quick-maturing vegetables deliver rewarding harvests in record time. Let's get started. Radishes are one of the fastest vegetables you can grow, often ready for harvest in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Radishes are perfect for impatient gardeners or for succession planting throughout the cool seasons, spring and fall. For best results, sow seeds directly in the garden as soon as the soil can be worked in early spring or again in late summer or early autumn for a fall crop. Plant the seeds about 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart in loose, well-drained soil enriched with compost. Keep the soil consistently moist to encourage quick, even germination and crisp, tender roots. Radishes thrive in full sun but will tolerate light shade, especially in warmer climates where shade can help prevent bolting. Popular quick-maturing varieties include Cherry Bell, which produces bright red, round roots in just 3 weeks. The heirloom variety, French Breakfast, with elongated pink roots tipped in white, has a mild, slightly sweet flavor and is ready for harvest in less than 4 weeks. For continuous harvest, sow a new row every 7 to 10 days. Lift the roots as soon as they reach the size of a large marble to keep them from becoming pithy or woody. Our next quick grower is leaf lettuce. Leaf lettuce can produce tender baby greens in as little as 4 to 5 weeks. Leaf lettuce thrives in the cool weather of both spring and fall. Sow seeds directly in the garden or in containers, scattering them thickly for cut and come-again harvests. You can space plants 4 to 6 inches apart if you plan to grow larger individual heads. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep in loose, fertile soil enriched with compost. Keep the bed consistently moist to promote even germination and prevent bitterness. Lettuce grows best in full sun during the cooler months. As the weather warms, grow lettuce in afternoon shade to help slow bolting. For quick harvests, try varieties such as Black-Seeded Simpson, a classic loose-leaf type known for its delicate, crinkled lime green leaves and mild flavor. The variety Red Sails offers tender burgundy-tinted leaves that add color and a slightly sweet taste to salads. Harvest baby leaves when they reach 3 to 4 inches tall. Snip the outer leaves first, or let the plants mature to full heads for a more substantial harvest. To keep a steady supply of fresh greens coming all season long, succession sow leaf lettuce every 2 weeks. Next up is arugula. Peppery arugula is a fast-growing cool-season green that matures in just 5 to 6 weeks. Arugula will reward you with its signature spicy bite when picked young. Sow seeds directly into the garden or containers as soon as the soil can be worked in early spring. You can plant arugula again in late summer or early autumn for a fall crop. Scatter seeds thinly or plant in shallow rows about 1/4 inch deep and 1 inch apart in loose, well-draining soil enriched with compost. Keep the soil evenly moist to encourage quick germination and tender leaves. Arugula thrives in full sun during cool weather, but benefits from partial shade as temperatures rise. Shade helps prevent bolting and bitterness in warm weather. For fresh, zesty salads, harvest baby leaves when they reach 2 to 3 inches long or allow them to grow slightly larger for a stronger flavor. Tasty and reliable varieties include Astro, which produces smooth, mild leaves that stay tender longer. Rocket is a classic variety with deeply lobed leaves and a robust, peppery kick. And the variety Sylvetta is a wild arugula that offers a more intense, spicy flavor and excellent heat tolerance. Sow a new patch every 2 weeks to ensure a continuous supply of fresh, flavorful arugula throughout the season. Next is spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich, cool-season green that produces harvestable leaves in just 5 to 6 weeks. It is a perfect choice for early spring and fall gardens. Sow seeds directly into the soil as soon as it can be worked in spring. Plant spinach again in late summer for a fall crop. Space seeds about ½ inch deep and 2 inches apart in fertile, well-drained soil enriched with compost. Spinach prefers full sun in cooler weather but benefits from partial shade as temperatures rise, which helps delay bolting and keeps the leaves tender. Keep the soil consistently moist to encourage quick germination and steady growth. Harvest baby leaves when they are 3 to 4 inches long for fresh salads, or let the plants mature for larger leaves suited to cooking. Reliable varieties include Bloomsdale Longstanding, an heirloom with deep green savoyed leaves. The variety Space is a smooth-leafed spinach ideal for salads and easy washing. Tai is a productive hybrid known for its cold tolerance and extended harvest period. For a continuous supply of tender spinach, sow a new crop every 2 to 3 weeks during cool weather. The next fast growers are baby kale and turnip greens. Both are nutrient-packed crops that can be ready to harvest in just 6 weeks. They are excellent choices for cool season gardening. For baby kale, sow seeds densely in well-drained, compost-enriched soil, planting about a ¼ inch deep. Keep the bed evenly moist to encourage tender, flavorful leaves. Harvest when the leaves are 3 to 4 inches long for salads and sautés. You can thin seedlings from 8 to 12 inches apart if you prefer to grow full-size kale plants for later harvest. Excellent baby kale varieties include Red Russian with soft purple-veined leaves and a mild flavor. The variety Lacinato, also known as dinosaur kale, is prized for its dark, crinkled leaves and rich taste even when harvested young. Turnip greens also thrive in cool weather and produce sweet, mild leaves that can be picked early while the roots continue to swell beneath the soil. Sow turnip seeds about ½ inch deep and 2 inches apart. Thin plants to 4 inches as they grow to allow room for root development. Delicious dual-purpose varieties include Hakure, known for its tender, mild greens and crisp white roots. The variety 7 Top is an excellent choice for its flavorful greens. Succession plant turnips every 2 weeks during spring or fall to ensure a steady supply of fresh, vitamin-rich leaves for the kitchen. Bok choy is our next fast-to-harvest crop. Bok choy, also known as pak choy, is a fast-growing Asian green that matures quickly with tender baby heads. It is ready for harvest in as little as 5 to 6 weeks. Full-size plants are ready in about 7 weeks. This cool season crop thrives in spring and fall when temperatures stay between 55 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Bok choy can tolerate light frosts, which enhances its sweet, crisp flavor. Sow seeds directly in the garden or in containers about a ¼ inch deep and 2 inches apart. Grow bok choy in fertile, well-drained soil enriched with compost. Thin seedlings to 6 to 8 inches apart for baby bok choy or 10 to 12 inches apart for full-size heads. Keep the soil evenly moist to encourage rapid growth and prevent bolting. Provide light afternoon shade in warmer climates to extend the harvest. Excellent bok choy varieties include Shanghai Green, which forms compact pale green stems and tender spoon-shaped leaves. The variety Toy Choy is a dwarf type perfect for small spaces and containers. For larger heads, try Joy Choy, a bolt-resistant hybrid with crisp white stems and broad dark green leaves that stay tender even as the plant matures. Harvest young plants whole or pick individual outer leaves as needed for stir-fries, soups, and fresh salads. Next we have beet greens. Beet greens are a versatile and nutritious leafy green that can be harvested in 6 to 7 weeks, well before the roots are fully mature. You can start snipping the outer leaves once they reach 4 to 6 inches tall, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. Thinning seedlings to about 3 to 4 inches apart gives each plant room to develop healthy roots and provide greens for the table. Beets thrive in cool weather and prefer fertile, well-drained soil enriched with compost. Give beets consistent moisture to keep leaves tender and flavorful. A popular variety for dual-purpose harvesting is Detroit Dark Red, which produces sweet, deep red roots along with tender, dark green leaves. The variety Choy is known for its striking red and white striped roots and mild, edible greens. For a milder flavor, try Ruby Queen, which offers tender leaves ideal for salads and sautéing. By harvesting leaves regularly and staggering plantings every 2 to 3 weeks, you can enjoy a steady supply of both fresh greens and roots throughout the growing season. The next fast grower is green onions. Green onions, also called scallions, are ready for harvest in about 7 weeks. Scallions provide a mild, fresh onion flavor that really brightens up salads, stir-fries, and soups. Scallions grow best in fertile, well-drained soil with consistent moisture. You can plant scallions either from seeds or sets. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and 1 inch apart. Thin the seedlings to 2 inches apart to allow the slender, tender stalks to develop. Green onions thrive in full sun, but they'll tolerate a bit of light shade. Green onions are suitable for garden beds, raised beds, or even containers. Popular varieties include Evergreen Long White, which produces long, mild white stalks that are just perfect for snacking and cooking. The variety Ishikura is a reliable Japanese heirloom known for its uniform growth and tender flavor. The variety White Lisbon is prized for its fast germination and sweet, crisp stalks. For a continuous harvest, you can sow new seeds every 2 weeks. Harvest green onions by pulling whole plants or snipping stalks as needed while leaving the roots to regrow. Last among our list of quick-to-harvest vegetables, we have bush beans. Bush beans are a fast, productive crop that typically produce tender, flavorful pods in about 7 weeks. They are ideal for gardeners who want a quick and reliable harvest. These compact plants grow best in full sun and well-drained, fertile soil. Sow seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 to 4 inches apart, depending on the variety. Regular watering encourages steady growth and helps prevent the pods from becoming tough or stringy. Some popular bush bean varieties include Provider, which is a reliable early producer with disease resistance and tender, flavorful pods. Contender is known for its heat tolerance and consistent yields. The variety Blue Lake Bush is a classic variety prized for its crisp, straight pods and excellent flavor. For continuous harvesting, pick the beans frequently once they reach about 4 to 6 inches long. This encourages the plants to keep producing throughout the season. Succession planting every 2 to 3 weeks ensures a steady supply of fresh beans for eating fresh, steaming, or freezing. And now to summarize, fast-growing vegetables are ideal for succession planting, short-growing seasons, or just whenever you want quick rewards. You can sow these quick growers every few weeks for a continuous harvest, making them a really smart choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Kids especially enjoy these crops because the results are visible in just a few weeks. And there you have it. By choosing quick maturing varieties and sowing succession crops, you can harvest fresh greens, roots, and pods nearly year-round, even if you only have a small space. Thanks for visiting the Harvest to Table video channel today. Let us know in the comments what fast growers you are growing this year, and if you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more seasonal growing guides just like this. To read more about fast-growing crops, click on the links in the notes below. Until next time, this is Stephen Albert wishing you Happy gardening! See you in the next video.